The next function in the list is space. Now is space basically returns true if there are only white space characters in the string. There must be at least one character and it returns false otherwise. So now let us take S1 as a blank string and then we take S2 as empty string. Now what is the difference between empty string and blank string? Empty blank string means S1 is equal to you are typing quotes, giving a space bar and then closing the quotes, and empty string means you are writing, opening the quotes and closing the quotes without any space. So this is the difference. Now if I am writing S1 dot is space, so in this case I will get the answer as true. Why? Because obviously S1 is having space. If I write S2 dot is space, so in this case the answer will be false because we have not given any space over here. And I write two words with space. And I write S3 dot is space. So in this case also the answer will be false. It should contain only the white space characters, not any other character. The next function in the list is lower. Now is lower, is upper, is, wherever is written, that is basically for comparison and the answer will come in true and false, like is alnum, is alpha, is digit, is lower, is upper, is space. So in this the answer will always come in true and false because these are the comparison functions. But if we talk about lower function or lower method, now it basically returns a copy of the string converted to the lower case. Let us take an example. If I write S1 is equal to, and all I write in capital, then I write S1 dot lower. Now in this case what will happen? The characters that are there in the capital, they will be converted into lowercase. Now if I write, suppose S2 is equal to, just the first two characters I write in capital and rest I write in small, and then I write S2 dot lower. So in this case what will happen? Again whatever alphabets are there in the capital, those will be converted into the lower case. The next upper function or upper method, it basically returns a copy of the string converted to the upper case. So here if I am taking the example of S1 is equal to, now I am writing it in the small letters, all, and I write S1 dot upper. So all the alphabets or all the characters will be converted into uppercase or capital letters. And if only few are there, let's suppose I write HE and LLO. So I am writing HE in small, and if I write S2 dot upper, now in this case LLO are already in capital, so they will be printed as it is, and HE were in the lower case, so they have been converted into the uppercase. The next in the list is strip, L strip and R strip. Now strip returns a copy of the string with leading and trailing white spaces removed. That is, the white spaces from the left side as well as the right side are removed. And in L strip, it returns a copy of the string with leading white spaces removed from the left side. And in R strip, it will return a copy of the string. Why we are saying a copy of the string? Because original string is not modified, immutable. String is immutable. So it returns a copy of the string. The original string will be untouched. It will not be modified. So all these methods will be returning a copy only. So R strip will return the copy of the string with trailing white spaces removed from the right hand side. str is equal to, in double quotes, suppose I give 1 2 3 space over here, I write hello, and I give 1, 2, 3 space after this. If I am printing the simple string, let's say print str. So now you can see that the space will also be printed. This is the left space and this is the right space. So this is not visible because anything else is not present over here. So if we are printing the normal string, so it will be printed with space. But if I want to print the string without any space, so in that case, if I want to remove the space from both the side, this is the left space and this is the right space. So if I want to print the string by removing the white spaces from both the sides, that is from the left side as well as the right side, so I will write str dot strip. And now you can see that earlier we were getting the string like this, now we are getting the string without any spaces. Str dot l strip. Now in this case what will happen is that the white spaces from the left will be removed. The 3 spaces that were there, they have been removed, and right spaces will remain as it is. Now if I write r strip, then what will happen? The spaces from the right, the 3 white spaces on the right hand side, they will be removed, and the spaces in the left, they will keep on existing.